Oh, I want to hear the noise.
Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Okay, can I tell my story?
Oh, it tickles. He's back to tickling me. Alright. What's your story? I can't wait.
So, unpause the video. Pause
No, go
the
ahead.
video.
Tell it on camera.
Okay.
Or is it going to be cringe?
It's pretty cringe. So
Is it pretty cringe?
yeah, it's a little cringe.
Alright, hurry.
Okay, so if you won't pay up, you say, you owe me $5,000, and he'll text back, but I only owe you $500, and there's your proof that he owes you the money.
That's cringe.
It's not cringe, it's proof.
Cringe.
Your face is cringe.
That is why I read.
I guess you just have to stay here tonight with him.
Really?
Yeah. Take the train home in the morning.
Dad, is my eye red tonight?
Yeah.
I don't know why. You woke up too early?
No, because my eye's itchy.
Oh, the cats.
Oh.
Don't itch your eyes.
I forgot about the cat.
Yeah, there's a lot of cats.
Yeah, we need to go.
Alright, get out of here, cats.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at them.
Don't do that, come on.
Look at
I'll scratch you. This is why Ted wore pants, right? I knew this was going to happen. Well, I didn't know, but I thought it was possible.
Yeah, you didn't know.